Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, the reasons that Umpumelelo is giving to his father that Utirano might not be a wife anymore, almost as if he's saying which she doesn't qualify to be a wife because she went out drinking no snare. Isn't that a similar reason that he gave about Uvuyoazi of part of the reasons of why he didn't want to marry her? I'm just like, this guy is starting his things. I'm just like, you know, when a person doesn't want you anymore and they will pull out the weirdest or any small thing that you do is going to be a reason of why they treating you the way they treat you. Because I'm just like, akonakali. Uvuyokazi last season, he said Uvuyokazi is drinking and she's not a person who drinks. She goes out with friends and don't. And now he's giving the same excuse. She's drinking agapuzi. Don't. I'm just like, Mpumelelo, khuluma iqiniso bandla. Just say ukuthi part of you doesn't want this relationship, because all of a sudden, just like Vuyokazi, Utirano is now asking the questions. And the funny thing, which Utirano is saying to Umusa, that no, Umpumelelo, you got a wife or you got Umahle who doesn't question anything. So that's why he's behaving the way he's behaving towards her. I'm just like, Tirano, but once upon a time, you were also Umahle, where you didn't question anything. And when Vuyokazi started questioning certain things, and decisions and the way Umpumelelo moved, she was being portrayed as if she was being a needy girlfriend. Now, Kuge, Utirano's in the same position. But guys, Utirano did say so herself last season. She did say, if he can treat his baby mama Anje, what about me, or how much more of me? So Ukeli, she entered the situation knowing, and she's going to continue in the situation knowing. That's the nice thing about her. What is she not do Lulu? And her heart is betraying her by continuing to love this person. It's either ngempela Umpumelelo doesn't really want a relationship with Utirano anymore, or number two, baya epta, guys. Because if you remember very well, I think it was a week before Izingane Zesthembu started airing, Umpumelelo and Utirano were out and about, and by that time, guys, they were done with shooting, they were done with their diary sessions, commentary, and they were out and about, meaning that at that time, they were very much still together. So on the show, Utirano's giving vibes of she's leaving this man, she's done with him. But that video when they were out and about, was it a live or was it a video? I can't remember. They were very much in love. So I'm just like, budlalwa ngathi lana. Either budlalwa ngathi or Utirano shame she's still waiting for her heart to finally stop loving this man. Sometimes, guys, you just got to love people from a distance. Sometimes you don't ever stop loving a person, but because you respect yourself and you love yourself more than the way you love this person, you exit the relationship. So this whole thing, I'm gonna wait for my heart to water, guys. Hey, hi, all the best. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.